This retro camera flash is Smokin. Godox Lux Master TTL HSS. Style or serious power? Ever felt like your flash gear is stuck in 2008, clunky menus, delayed sync, bulky bodies that kill the vibe mid-shoot? You're fumbling through buttons like it's a Game Boy and praying your light hits just right. The creative spark is there, but your tech keeps ghosting you. Whether you're chasing golden hour or shooting indoor magic, the lack of precision, control, and aesthetic is draining your mojo. You're not lazy, you're just sick of tools that feel like chores. If your flash game is killing your flow, you're in the right place, friend. Let's fix this, for real. Now crank that frustration to 11, imagine prepping for the perfect wedding shot, and your flash just misfires like a diva with commitment issues. Dead batteries, sketchy syncing, menus written in Martian? Check. Meanwhile, your subject's blinking, the bride's over it, and you're sweating bullets hoping the tech cooperates. The burnout creeps in, opportunity fades, and your confidence takes the L. You bought professional gear, but it's acting more amateur than your friend's band. When gear becomes a liability, not a launchpad, something's gotta change, fast. Your vision deserves gear that shows up as hard as you do. Enter the Godox Lux Master Retro TTL HSS camera flash, a true game changer in the world of modern vintage. This ain't just another pretty face with throwback vibes. It's a full-on lighting beast disguised as a retro showstopper. With its snappy color touchscreen, TTL and HSS support, built-in wireless 2.4G sync, and a beefy 460 full-power flashes on a single charge, this flash gets down to business while looking like it time-traveled from a 1940s noir film. Compatible with Sony, Nikon, Canon, Fuji, Leica, and more, this thing is pure power wrapped in nostalgia. Finally, style and substance in one sexy click. You want precision? You got it. Tap and swipe on the touchscreen like you're on a flagship phone. You want bounce flash flexibility? The Lux Master's got angle, head tilt, and enough juice to light a whole venue. Tired of syncing drama? The wireless pairing is smoother than your favorite playlist. And don't let that retro shell fool you, this beast is all modern muscle under the hood. Let it simplify your workflow, sharpen your shots, and give your creativity the wings it's been begging for. Curious? You should be. Click in and geek out with us, we'll show you exactly what this beauty can do. Don't sleep on this, seriously. The Lux Master is selling fast, and pros are already raving about its balance of charm and performance. This is your moment to join the movement. Whether you're a full-time shooter or weekend warrior, you deserve gear that pulls its weight and turns heads. Ready to ditch the deadweight and upgrade to gear that vibes with you? Then click that link, grab your Godox Lux Master while it's still hot, and show the world what modern photography looks like with vintage flavor. No regrets. No fluff. Just game-changing gear for creators who mean business. Let's light it up.